Hyperliquid DEX is breaking every single rule in the book. It's called Hyperliquid and it's like Binance but on steroids. No gas fees, lightning fast transactions, and a token called Hype that actually is hyped. But is it too good to be true? In this video we'll break down what Hyperliquid is, how it works, the tokenomics of Hype, our 2025 price prediction, and the truth about the roadmap and potential challenges. Hyperliquid is a fully on-chain order book-based DEX exchange, but here's the twist. Unlike most DeFi platforms built on Ethereum, Hyperliquid has its own custom layer 1 chain built specifically for trading. No middleman, bridging nightmares, and no gas fees. Think of it as FTX but decentralized and hopefully less criminal. Now, who made this beast? Hyperliquid was founded by a group of Stanford engineers and crypto natives, but they're keeping things semi-anonymous, just like Satoshi, but with more GitHub commits. So how does Hyperliquid pull off gasless instant trades? Let's break it down fast. Hyperliquid runs on a custom layer 1 chain. It uses off-chain lookups and optimistic relayers. Traders sign orders off-chain and only successful trades hit the blockchain. Matching engine in decentralized but feels centralized in speed. Now a speed check. Orders settle in under 1 second. That's faster than Arbitrum, Solana, and even your caffeine crash. Alright, now the juicy part, the Hype token. Hype coin is Hyperliquid's native governance and incentive token. No pre-sale, no VC allocation. That's right, 100% of the Hype is community driven. Rewards come from trading activity, not staking gimmicks. Max supply is hyped at 1 billion Hype. Emissions decay over time, 60% to traders, 20% to liquidity providers, and 20% to devs plus treasury. So now we come to the most important part. How are the fees? Trading fees are just 2 basis points. That's 0.02%. That's even lower than most centralized exchanges. And remember, no gas fees ever. Let's look at the Hype coin price. Launched under the radar, now gaining steam, trading volumes climbing thanks to zero fees on top tier UI, market cap still undervalued compared to DEX and GMX. And as we see here, it is on a slight upwards trend there, but as you see below here, we have the trend predictor. When this crosses, you saw a upwards trend there, and if this crosses once more, I think we could actually go a bit down again. But at the moment, the chart is looking fresh, and with so little amount of coins, only 1 billion on a trading DEX exchange that's rapidly growing, I think this could possibly be a higher price. So the 2025 or end of 2025 price prediction for Hypecoin: if Hyperliquid continues its growth and captures even 5 to 10% of all perpetuals market, Hypecoin could easily 5 to 10x from here. Not financial advice, but definitely worth watching. So what's next for Hyperliquid in 2025? Here's the roadmap in hype speed. More perpetual listings, expanding beyond crypto into forex and stocks, mobile app released for decentralized trading on the go, liquidity incentive program to onboard more market makers, fully permissionless listings so anyone can add assets, decentralized governance launch using the Hype coin. If they pull this off, they're not just competing with DeFi, they're coming for Binance. But it's not all sunshine and blockchains. Hyperliquid faces some real challenges: lack of transparency around the core team, regulatory pressure on derivatives platforms, liquidity still lags behind sex giants, user adoption requires education and trust in complex systems. The tech is insane, but mass adoption isn't just about tech, it's about trust. So what do you think about Hyperliquid and Hypecoin? Make sure to comment your thoughts below what you think of Hyperliquid and Hypecoin projects, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.